Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. Come right in, let's make some immunity booster wellness shot. Our first ingredients for this shot is ginger. We know ginger. Ginger contains relevant components that are great for soothing coughs and sore throats. It also helps to improve the recovery time for cough, cold, and sore throats. Ginger is a superfood. Most of these cough syrups might not be perfect for viruses, but ginger got your back. The second ingredient is orange. Orange is loaded with relevant nutrients, including vitamin C, which also is an immunity booster. One reason I've added orange to this recipe is not just for the vitamin C content, but also for taste. I know some people are not able to tolerate the taste that comes from, our flavor that comes from the other ingredients, and so orange will do the sweetening for us. It is a natural sweetener. Instead of adding all the other things, including sugar, that is not very healthy, orange will do the job, including adding sweetness to this super shot. Turmeric is our next ingredient. Before I go on, just be aware when you're handling fresh turmeric that it can leave yellow stains on whatever it touches, including the chopping board, the knife, your nails, fingers, clothes. So be mindful when you're handling fresh turmeric. Now, research has shown that turmeric can actually be helpful for those who have cold and flu symptoms. It contains an ingredient called curcumin, which has the capacity to reduce inflammation in the body, also associated with coughing and sneezing. And that is one big reason why I'm adding turmeric to this recipe. The next one is spring onions. I particularly love the flavor that comes from spring onions. Like any other onions, onions is considered as a powerful natural antibiotic that has the capacity to combat viral and bacterial infections. Also, onions contain sulfur components that helps to combat mucus and facilitate the breaking down of mucus in our airways and give us the ability to cough it out. So yes, the spring onions is in this to help us combat cough and cold naturally. And of course, spring onions will help us build our immune system in order to prevent cough, cold, sore throats, and flus. So, spring onions it is. Lemon is our fourth ingredient in this super shot. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C and contains lots of antioxidants. It helps to boost our immunity and contains relevant nutrients that may help to soothe sore throat and cough. Hence, I have included lemon in this super shot. A combination of lemon and orange in this super shot gives a perfect dose of vitamin C that is needed to manage cough, cold, flus, sore throat naturally. All prepped and ready for juicing. Remember, hand washing is crucial and using clean water is also essential. Now, for extracting the juices from these ingredients that we've prepped, I'm going to be using my Fridja F2500. Yes, the new juicer. If you've not watched the unboxing of this juicer, then there's the previous video. I'm going to be linking it at the end of this video and you can check my channel. So I'm just showing how I install or mount the juicer ready for juicing. It's honestly simple to use so far. It's simple to use and I like what I see so far. It's juice time. Come on, people. We are all set and ready to juice in our new Fridja 2500 juicer. One big thing I like about this juicer is the fact that you can load all your ingredients in this jug, close it up nicely. You don't have to babysit the juicer. Turn it on and just keep an eye on the filter. When it is full, you return and empty. You can go about cleaning up and tidying up all the prep stuff, and when your juicer is full in the filter, you come back and empty. That's simple. That's my big plus. The other thing I love about this juicer is that it has a separate outlet for the chaff or the residue of your ingredients and the juice. So the chaff is collected outside of the juicer, creating a better time management and also making it easy to batch juice as opposed to the juicers that keep their residue within. You might have to empty it out a few times if you're batch juicing. Occasionally you have this type of blockage like you can see, but it's easy. Just use the scooper included to scoop it out and continue. Our final ingredients for this super cold flu recipe is white pepper. Basically, the reason for this white pepper is to aid in the absorption of the nutrients in turmeric. Although pepper also contains great nutrients that are also good for cold and cough. So it's just a pinch. Give it a good, nice stir until it dissolves, and we are good to go. Here we go. The color alone speaks volumes. The super shot, made from regular ingredients at home, your ginger, your lemon, turmeric, spring onions, and a dash of white pepper to ensure that turmeric is well absorbed by the body. Great home remedy for soothing sore throat, cough, cold, flu, and so on and so forth. Surely make food your medicine. Until I see you next time, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Give me a like if you found this useful and informative. Leave a comment. I love to hear from you. Have you tried this recipe before? Will you try it? Just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to share. Remember to consult your healthcare professional for any complex medical issue. Bye-bye.